All right, guys. So you can see that we are almost done with gig creation on Fiverr. Now, at this point here, we have moved from overview to gallery. The final stage is published. All right. So, all right, guys. So you can see that we are almost done with gig creation on Fiverr. Now, at this point here, we have moved from overview to gallery. The final stage is published. All right. So now you need to know something here. Add memorable content to your gallery to set yourself apart from competitors. Then special note: to comply with Fiverr's terms of service, make sure to upload only content you either own or you have the permission or license to use. This simply means that don't upload somebody else's work or a copyright work as your gig thumbnail, because once you do that, you violate the Fiverr terms of service and your gig will be disabled. So you need to make sure that whatever you want to upload here is your own copyright job. Now, the two things you can do for gig thumbnail: you can upload video gig thumbnail and you can upload picture gig thumbnail. So the maximum video size should be 50 MB and 75 seconds, not a video that you have or you talk about 10 to 20 minutes. They don't need that. The maximum video gig you can add is 75 seconds and the size must not be more than 50 MB. Now, to upload gig thumbnail, whether picture or whether video, all you have to do is to make use of tab. Now, the first tab here is video tab. Now, I'm going to use picture tab because I'm uploading picture. So here, there are two options for picture, the same two options for video. It's either you come to the video tab and drag your video and drop it there, or you come to the picture tab, drag your picture and drop it down here. But now I'm going to click on browse. So after click on browse, you remember the picture we tried to rename. So that is what I'm going to use for this gig. So this is the picture. I will design outstanding print table billboard banner. I will select it, then I'll click on open. So Fiverr is going to automatically accept it because I have followed Fiverr picture instruction. So you can see the picture instruction here says that your picture must not be more than upload picture in JPEG or PNG and ensure they are at least 500 to 50 pixels wide and 370 pixels height. So you need to follow that. Once you follow that, your picture will automatically upload. Then one more thing about picture upload is that you can add maximum of 3 pictures. So you can see at the top here, maximum of 1 or 3 picture is the one you can add for the gig thumbnail. But in this case, I'm using just 1 picture for now. So I will scroll down now. Then you come down here and click on save and continue. Oh, sorry, we have to come here and click on I declare that these materials were created by myself or by my team and do not infringe on any third party right. I understand the illegal use of digital assets is against Fiverr terms of service and may result in blocking my account. So just click on save and continue. So you need to understand the fact that. Then we move to the next level. Wow. Almost there. Let us publish your gig and get some buyers rolling in. Right? Now, this is the final stage. All you have to do next at this point is, once you are satisfied with everything, click on publish gig. Wow, you did it. Your gig is now live. Let us get the word out to boost your sales. So another thing you can do here, after you have published your gig, you can share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, or share it on your LinkedIn. Right? So now, for you to be sure that this gig has been published and you have successfully created a real gig on Fiverr, so you have to come to the home tab here and click on gigs. So when you click on gigs, the particular gigs you just created must be on the list of the gig. So with that, you are good to go and expecting your first buyer any moment from now. So let's see the gig. Still loading. Alright guys, so you can see the gig here from my gig list here. So now the maximum gig you can create is 7. So you can see I have 7 already. Now you need to preview this gig so that you'll be sure that everything you create is normal. So how do you do that? Just click on this gig link here. Oh, sorry. So you need to come here, click on this icon here, and click on preview. In some cases, if you want to edit the gig, you can see edit. If you want to pause it, you can see pause. Pause simply means that if you have a large number of order and you don't want to take more order, so you need to pause it here. If you want to share it, this is share icon. If you want to delete the gig, this is delete. If you want to add a video, this is add a video. If you want to add a live portfolio, this is the option. But now we want to preview this gig. We want to be sure that we create a very well understand gig. So I'm going to click on preview. So when you click on preview, it's going to open in a new tab. Let's see. You can see. So it's trying to load. Alright guys, so we can see it here that I will design outstanding printable billboard banner, right? So simple design, that is for the basic. So the basic says quality design, 300 dp, this and that, 2-4 hour delivery. You can see 1 day delivery and unlimited revision is here. Then the price here is $10 for this. Then the standard, let's see the standard. So the standard here is these are the information for the standard. Then premium, these are the information for the premium. So now we can see that we have created a well detailed gig. Now another thing to consider here is gig description. So you can see our description still in order. So you can see. So these are gig description, and now this is the detail package. So simple, standard, premium, gold package, standard design package, concept, simple design. So these are the things buyer are going to look at. Then another thing here is our related tags. This is the tags. So this is our 5 tags. Then other services by me, which is graphic design, graphics guru 201. These are another service by me. So this is how your gig should look like before buyer. Now once buyer have interested in your service, they will click on contact the seller. Once they click on it, they will chat you and make an offer. So now if somebody asks you to submit your gig link, so you have to come to the home tab here. This is your gig link. So you just have to select it like this, right click, and then copy, then you send it to anybody. That is how you copy your gig link, and this is how you create your Fiverr gig step-by-step video. And I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 things. So after you have successfully created your gig, the next one is to see how we can promote our gig and get our first sales fast without any wasting time. So thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.